We installed few doors, interior doors today, and the frame was wrong, so we had to put some extra board, and also the height was too short. We didn't have enough space to put the door jamb, so we had to cut the header like ½ inch, so we can stick in there. And the doors right there, doors 2, 3, 4. But there, unfortunately, we couldn't finish it because they're doing a painting, so it's no good. So we will have to get out of here. Okay, I'll see you later. Yeah. Today is October 19th. Today is a Saturday. I'm here to install the doors, interior doors. So all the exterior stucco has been finished. So now they're working on the interiors. Drywall finished. Very nice. Okay. So these are pre-hung doors. So all the interiors, they're for interiors. So I'm not sure how many doors we have. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think we have 14 doors. Yep.
Salieron 14 las costillas y 4 lados.